Hey y'all, so today we're about to make some quick and easy stovetop candy yams. First, you want to peel your candy yams. I saw a video that when you're using a potato peeler, you're supposed to go back and forth like this. I don't know about all of that, but anyways, cut your yams up. Don't cut them too thick and do not cut them too small. Then whatever pot you're using, you're going to add a tad bit of water and one layer of candy yams. Then you're going to add some white sugar, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, vanilla extract, brown sugar, and a few slices of butter, and you're going to repeat these steps. Do not overcrowd your pot and make sure they are even layers because you want your yams to cook through without touching them. You don't want to have to move them around. You don't want to have to use a fork, and you don't want them to break apart. And for the last layer, you're going to add a little bit of lemon extract to it. Put the lid on and turn them on medium low and let them cook. You see how bomb them look? The candy yams are candy. I like my candy yams super sweet, y'all, and kind of sticky, just like that. I usually cook mine in the oven, but I think the stovetop gives it a better flavor, and I think they candy more when I cook them on the stove. Let me know, do y'all like cooking y'all candy yams in the oven, or do y'all like cooking them on the stovetop? And also, I like my candy yams super, super sweet. So, yeah.